emergency alert system and NOAA weather radio's warning alarm. During potentially hazardous weather situations, the National Weather Service transmits a signal that automatically activates specially built receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the receiver are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday near 12 noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next day without a severe weather threat. The following tones will conclude this test. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station K.
Well, WXM62 and WWG24 are non-existent right now, so I can only get it on KHB60, the required weekly test. Time is 12:15, another late test, not as late as a few of them have been. But immediately after the channel ID, call sign, all of that went over, it talked a little bit, and then it immediately went to the EAS, well, header. So basically it was talking, it went over the climate statistics and all of that on KHB60, and then it just suddenly goes right over to the EAS without a pause. Then after the EAS, it goes over the call sign again. This is all on the new broadcast message handler system. So Seattle is officially no longer on the console replacement system. I believe this is the second test on it. So it's surprising to see that they no longer use live stream in Seattle. It's all using the broadcast message handler voice now. So thank you guys for watching. I wish I would have recorded the moment where I went, "Oh shoot," real loud, because it nearly scared me to death. But anyways, all jokes aside, I'll see you guys later, and have a nice day. This is Milt Washington Tech 1999 signing off.